right, so welcome everyone to SAEM's Education Summit, the Educator's Portfolio. So the academic mission has often been described as a three-legged stool consisting of education, research, and service. And while many faculty will have a natural affinity or strength in one of these areas, building strengths in other domains can have a synergistic effect that can accelerate your career trajectory. Scholarship in particular is highly valued in the promotions process. However, some educators may be unfamiliar with educational theories, best practices of developing curricula and assessment tools, or even how best to disseminate work. So our agenda today is the following. We're going to cover the following learning objectives. One, we're going to explain the importance of education theories with regard to scholarship. We're going to understand the 4 forms of scholarship according to Boyer. And 3, we're going to discuss the best ways to transform the digital scholarship work you've already done into P&T-ready forms. So our Education Summit has 3 components. During the first part of the summit, we will have several didactic sessions, beginning with an overview of why promotion matters, followed by a discussion of education theories, dissemination of scholarly work, and packaging of work for a promotions committee. Part 2 of the summit will focus on engagement of the end user and educator. And the final part of the summit will have 2 workshops. The first focused on curricular development, and the second on assessment tools and validity evidence. So my name is Laura O. I'm from Emory University, and I have nothing to disclose. I'm going to kick things off by explaining the value of promotion, why promotion matters. So some faculty view promotion as a natural progression of an academic career. So just as you would expect to rise in ranks if you enlisted in the military, there's an expectation when you enter academic medicine that you recognize the value of promotion and are actively working towards that goal. Other faculty view it as a celebration of individual achievement, an acknowledgement of your excellent work by your institution and your peers. But there's a third way to think about promotion. I would like to suggest that you think about it as an open door. It affords an opportunity to be considered for leadership roles that are traditionally only open to faculty of senior rank. So consider this. Only 19% of full professors in EM are women, and less than 6% of full professors are underrepresented in medicine. And next, consider that just 18% of medical school deans are women, and 12% are underrepresented in medicine. So equity in promotion and diversification of the professoriate are ways to change what leadership looks like at the highest levels of academic medicine. So how do you step through that door? So most faculty that successfully navigate the promotions process have a plan and a mentor, or more precisely, have built a mosaic of mentorship. It's unlikely that a single person can fulfill all your mentorship needs through a career. So where to find that mentorship and how to ask for it? So national conferences are great places to find a mentor, whether at a leadership development course, grant writing workshop, or perhaps here at our Education Summit. Departmental leadership can help junior faculty especially build their mentorship networks through key introductions. Specialized academies are also highly motivated for their members to succeed. And when you're asking for mentorship, potential mentors will appreciate potential mentees who come prepared with a specific request, are open to being mentored, and who take on an active role in their own development. It is possible, however, to be over-mentored and under-sponsored. Mentors advise, sponsors advocate. Sponsors go out on a limb for you because they believe in your potential. They publicly advocate for key strategic opportunities. It's necessary to cultivate relationships with both mentors and sponsors. And once you've stepped through that door of academic promotion, one of the greatest joys in an academic career can be holding that door open for someone else and becoming a mentor and sponsor in your own right. So now that we talked about the why of promotion, it is my pleasure to introduce our next great speaker, Dr. Jennifer Kaminsky, who will be giving an overview of crystallizing your academic brand and scholarly identity.